Hi everyone, I am just jumping on quickly. I am in the car heading down to London, and yeah, second time I've been down in the last few days. So heading back down to London town, heading to the Arsenal game as well. And I just wanted to jump on because I have been seeing a lot of videos talking about how YouTube is on easy mode. And I thought it's really interesting what's happening with YouTube at the moment, and the whole concept that they're pushing small creators, which is phenomenal, which is amazing. I have been on YouTube for years, and I know I think I can't remember the stat, but I think the stat is something like there's only 1% of YouTube channels that have over 10,000 subscribers. So I just about fall into that 1% because I'm very near to 10,000 subscribers. If you're not already a subscriber, then click the subscribe button. But I am in that I think it's 1%, don't quote me, but that very small amount of people that have 10,000 or more, close to 10,000. And so I think it is phenomenal that YouTube are pushing smaller creators now. I think about time, if I'm honest, because it is so difficult. It has been so difficult to grow on YouTube, really difficult. And I know that there are certain things that you can do, thumbnails, keywords, tags, description, all of that good stuff, how you edit your videos, how you don't edit your videos. There's lots of videos out there about how to grow on YouTube. I've tried every single one of them, and it's not as easy and straightforward as people think. Some people do blow up quickly, don't get me wrong. It is possible, it is doable, and some people are able to do it. They just, out of nowhere, they just blow up. They put one video out and they've got 1 million views, 1 million subscribers. It's insane. And I've seen different types of videos that have been able to do that. Some that are very well edited, some that are very basic. And I just think that at the end of the day, when it's your time, it's your time. There are certain things that can help, but I have been studying YouTube for a while, and honestly, any which way works. Any which way works. So it doesn't work if you don't put yourself on YouTube. So you have to put yourself on YouTube. So, I wanted to come on today just to share with you that if you are thinking about joining YouTube, don't wait, do it now, because it's in this moment that the algorithm is in your favor, where they are pushing these smaller channels. They're obviously still pushing the bigger channels, but less so, because at the end of the day, YouTube is a platform that wants more people on it. They want more views. They want to be the go-to platform for video and content, right? So it's a no-brainer that why would you not get more channels going in order to get more revenue? Because that's the whole point of YouTube at the end of the day. They want the revenue. They're interested in the money. They want to make money, right? So that's the whole point of YouTube. So if you're scared, if you're worried, don't be. If you are, I'm 53 and I've been on YouTube for about 10 years, whatever. I want to encourage you to jump onto YouTube, right? Because it's our age group of the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s that have the smaller amount of competition, and there's less channels on the platform at this age group. So it means that if your content is aimed at the mature person, you're more likely to get seen and be spotted. So our age group, jump on it. If you are not sure how to do it, message me. I listen, I'm here to help everybody win. We are all winning in this season, at this time, at this moment, at this time of growth, where it's not often that the channels and the algorithms and these platforms are in your favor. They are in your favor right now, today. Any small channel, I would say jump on there. I'm not going to say it's going to be overnight, but unless you get on there, unless you start, you just don't know, do you? So firstly, get on the platform, create a channel. If you don't know how to do that, let me know. I might even do a workshop or some training or something to help. because I've done that before and then I just kind of like left it and parked it. But if there's enough people, comment below and I'll do a workshop and some training to show you how to start your channel, how to build your channel, what keywords you need to use for your channel, the tags, the descriptions, the thumbnails. If you don't know anything about being on YouTube, comment down below and I'll help you get started. Because even with a channel of my size that has 10,000 subscribers on it, you know, I still am trying to grow in the sense of getting more views on my videos, because I've been one of the people that have struggled. I'd say really my biggest problem was probably consistency more than anything else, was being consistent with the content. That was more my issue than anything else. I think that was the problem that has stopped me from growing quicker. But this is the season. This is the season. Now is the time. If you want to be on YouTube, you have to get started. If you don't know where to start, leave me a comment down below. I will, if there's enough people, I'll do a workshop, I'll do some training, I'll do some more videos on how to get started on YouTube and all of that good stuff, because I love it. I always say YouTube is the best platform in the world. It pays you, it promotes you. I just think it's fantastic. I think it's fantastic, and it's a no-brainer platform to be on. Because we saw what happened with TikTok, and 1 minute it's there, then it's not, and then it's there, and then it's not. It's like, you can't be reliant on any platform, even YouTube. But, you know, you have to be smart, okay? YouTube is just the beginning of what's to come for you. So don't make it the be all and end all. You have to create other things outside of YouTube, but it's a great way to get your message, your voice, your story, what you're doing, what you want to share with the world, how you want to help people in the world. It's a great platform in order to do that. Yeah, so I just wanted to jump on here quickly. I probably will do another video about how I think you should structure it. But I just wanted to jump on quickly because I'm seeing a lot of videos about YouTube being on easy mode, and it's easy this, it's easy that, and blah, blah, blah. And yes, the algorithm is more in your favor right now today, but there are still certain things that you may need to do in order to just get that oomph and get that push going. So yeah. I just thought I would just jump on because I've been seeing it everywhere. And as somebody who's on YouTube quite a lot, yeah, we all should be winning. We all should be winning, especially my women, my men over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70. I don't care how old you are. I do not care how old you are. You need to be putting that content out, sharing your wisdom, because what you have over the younger audience is you have wisdom. You have wisdom. You have all those years of knowledge and wisdom and things that have worked, things that haven't worked, that we need. We need it, people. We need it. It's not about you. And I can share more of that, my story, how I've been able to meet these celebrities, Richard Branson, Oprah, how I've been able to create a women's home, trying to do my women's home, do film screenings, do events, start a business, buy property abroad. Yeah. We've all got stuff that we need to be sharing, okay? So leave me a comment down below if you want to know more about getting started on YouTube, and let's do this together. All the small creators, let's get this content out and let's get going.